Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ARTeefy heat press machine. There are features include: elevate your creative studio with the ARTeefy HP5 12x 10-inch heat press. Stop settling for inconsistent results from standard irons. The ARTeefy HP5 is a professional-grade, portable heat press designed to bridge the gap between hobbyist DIY and commercial production. With its generous 12x 10 inches heating surface, it's the perfect sweet spot size for everything from baby onesies to large adult apparel. Why ARTeefy HP5 stands out. Exclusive bundle value: unlike other brands, we include a high-quality Teflon sheet for free. This protects your garments from yellowing and prevents melted vinyl from sticking to the heating plate, significantly reducing project errors and keeping your machine clean. Superior heat distribution: the ceramic-coated plate ensures edge-to-edge heat consistency, vital for long-lasting sublimation designs that won't peel or fade after washing. Portable and compact: despite its large pressing area, the HP5 remains lightweight and easy to store, making it a perfect companion for your cutting machines. Smart safety technology: built-in 10-minute auto shutoff and an insulated safety base provide maximum protection for your home and workspace. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.